The Lucas Walter. Are you just making a mess in the dirt? Let's look at all this dirt you pulled out. Okay, that was Aunt Peggy's pot there. Dirty. Dirty. Look at your hands now. They're so dirty. Look at your hands now, Lucas Walter. Thank you. Thank you. It's so much fun. What are you doing? Yay! Let me see your hands. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. What are you doing, crazy kid? Are you reverse gardening? We never did have very many green thumbs here. Is that dirty? Oh, you got on your hat. Is that dirty? Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Oh my. Is that all dirty? You're not too bad. You got on your hat though. Oh no, you gotta leave it on. You're playing in the sun, leave it on. Oh.